Today, we're going to be installing all of this on the 240, so let's get into it right now.
Boy, if you don't get
Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna be putting all this on the 240. I've been delaying this for whatever reason. I'm not really sure why I've been putting it off, but I still gotta do work to the fuel cell. I gotta buy a welder and weld this up and make brackets. But the problem is, it's snowboarding season, or it's about to be snowboarding season, and I need a new board. So I'm gonna have to hold out on that welder for a little bit, I'm pretty sure. We'll see how things go. So I figured I'd just throw all this in for the time being. So we're gonna be putting in the 180SX, Koki, whatever you wanna call them, taillights. So we got all that, and then we got the Aem Infinity ECU we're gonna put in, and the wiring specialties 1JZ harness. So that's the game plan. Just gotta find out where I'm gonna mount the ECU, probably around here somewhere, but we'll figure that out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here's what you get in the box. You get obviously your ECU. I thought that they provide you with an AEM actual USB that they make, but I guess not. So we got USB, we got some pin connectors if you need them, and then we have this cable which hooks up to your laptop for tuning, and then this USB cable right here. And I'm not 100% sure what this is for. Maybe you can upload a tune on here and stick it in there, or maybe this is for data logging. So you stick it in there and maybe you get actually, yeah, you stick it in there and you probably get a readout of what it's doing. I'm not 100% sure on that, but the tuner will know. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw this in 240. So let's find a place to mount that. Alright, so I have found the absolute perfect spot to mount my ECU. What we're looking at right now is behind the middle of the dash. So this actually works so perfect. Like the ECU, the top, I mean there's only two, there's not four like studs coming out, but the two studs are perfectly spaced apart. If you ever need to mount an ECU somewhere, and if you have the same ECU I do, I know it will directly fit on there with no modification. So what we're looking at here is you will have like a little black plastic thing on the end of those things, or those studs. And what I also have is just like some rubber pieces right here, which I'm going to put on those studs, and then put the ECU on top of that, and then put the nut on that, just because I don't want the ECU to be vibrating and everything. At least this will have some sort of softness to keep that down. But so I'm going to go to the store and try to find a nut for this, and get back to you guys. Alright, so I got it up there, but the nuts that I got from the store were wrong. So if there's one thing I do know, it's that the nuts are not a 1032, or however you say that, I don't know about that, or a M5-.8. I know they're not that. So I'll have to figure that up later. I'm just gonna leave it right there for now, and then hook everything else up, and then some other time find the correct nut for that. Let's run the wiring harness, which is underneath this box. Get out of here, trash. Well, this is a fail. Man, they wiring specialties, they sent me the wrong shit. So this is the plug for my coil packs, right? So there's a little sub harness that comes off of it, and I only have 3 connectors, but I need 6. So I messaged them. Apparently they accidentally sent the VVTI one. I guess the VVTI just uses 3 connectors for their coil packs. So they're gonna send me a new sub harness for it, and I gotta send that one back. So hopefully that doesn't take long, because it took like fucking 3 months to get this harness anyways, but whatever. I'm done raging. So I guess what we're gonna do for right now is put on the Type X taillights. Shank fitment though. I gotta tighten it down still though, that's the thing. But it looks way better, that's pretty dope, son. So I actually just got an email back from Wiring Specialties, and they went ahead and sent the new pigtail over. So I don't have to get the entire harness redone. Just, let me see if I can find it. Here, oh, is that it? Yeah, here it is. So I think I already showed you guys actually, but if not, yeah, they're just gonna send me this part right here. And once again, this is just for the VVTI. They sent me the wrong shit, but whatever, dude. That should be fixed. And then, yeah, so we're gonna wait about another 2 days and then we can finish that. All right, so the new connectors have come in, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the intake manifold off and put this wiring harness in. Okay, so everything is wired up. I got wires running through there, all through here. That I'm gonna have to get a sensor for later on. It's not that big of a deal for right now. That's the stock AIT right here, which they gave me the AEM plugins. So I got the AEM AIT here, and I have the AEM map sensor right here. And I actually don't have a map right now, and didn't come with one, or I lost it, I don't know what happened. But yeah, so I got this. This is not the expensive map. It's like I think it's like $160 for like the good stainless steel one or whatever, but I don't need that. So I just got the brass, or yeah, the brass one. But yeah, it's pretty much wired up now. Just gotta put this on the starter and then ground these up, which I can do that whenever. Not in a big of a rush because it's not gonna start for a little while anyways. I haven't even gotten it wired up, but this came in today. So this is the CX Racing downpipe, and it confirmed. Wow. It is confirmed that it fits on the JZ, the top. You gotta get the top mount one, obviously, but it fits with. You can't see it. Holy shit. But it fit here. Hold on. Let me grab a flashlight. So it fits with that Drift Motion cheap big ass wastegate. I don't know. I don't remember what size that wastegate is, but I'll figure it out and put it in the video. But yeah, went in no problem whatsoever, which is surprising. You know, coming from CX Racing, you know, I don't know. I just kind of view them as like an eBay type of brand, but you know, whatever. But yeah, that works. V-bands on there, the V-band clamp on there, nice and fucking good. Just gotta take that sticker off, obviously. Damn, I forgot to put the O2 sensor in there. Well, I'll do that too with the other stuff, but I'm not gonna film that. This was my other. Look at this place. Oh. This is my other downpipe I had. This was the drift motion downpipe, which didn't work. So I chopped it up a little. I was gonna try to fix it and get it to work, but look at this flashlight, man. God, nothing wants to work for me, you guys. But yeah, I just chopped this up because I was gonna try to fabricate it, but I ended up never getting a welder. And I'm actually gonna buy a welder soon, but I just got that downpipe and it works, so I don't need to do that. But this was actually not even for the 1JZ swap. So this was actually supposed to go on like a Crescent or some shit like that. I forgot. I just didn't look at it and I just bought it. So that's why it didn't work. But yeah, still got a hole in here. I don't know if I showed you that or not. There's the fuel cell, so I gotta get a welder to make a cage around that, and then probably if I can make a plate or whatever right there, or weld it there. I don't know, man. I really don't know. It's honestly my first time doing this, but I'll figure it out. Probably gonna cut a little bit more of this off. This whole piece right here go off, or gets cut off. What? I can't talk, man. Jeez. But yeah, then I'll just lay like a little thin piece of sheet metal over this and kind of wrap it around the fuel cell there, so just an open back end here. And yeah, just still gotta wire everything up. I got some look how dirty this is. Jesus, I just got these, so this is gonna help me get a clean install on the cables. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna be running, because I bought 2 of these because they have this little slot right here to run a cord or a power wire through. But what I think I'm gonna do is just leave this power one blank, because I'm not sure if I'll actually need it or not. And on the negative end that I'll be using, I want to run a ground straight from my starter right to the battery, and hopefully that'll give me like a really fast startup, but we'll see how it goes. But anyways, I won't be wasting any more of your time sitting here talking a bunch of nonsense. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God, you guys, I can't fucking talk, man. Make sure you like put some hate in the comments too, man. This is no fun. I thought people were gonna be hating and shit, but I guess not.